Here I have another dividing decimals problem. The first thing I'm going to do is move my decimal to clear it out of both numbers. In the first number I moved it 3 places, so I also have to move it 3 places in my other number. So let's rewrite what we have now. Now we have 6, and the number that we're going to divide by 6 is 3, 8, 3, and then tack that 0 on the end. Alright, so let's get started. 6 will not go into 3, but it will go into 38 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. I do my subtraction. I now have 2. I compare that with the 6, and 2 is too small, so I'm going to bring down my 3. 6 will go into 23, and it is going to go into that number. You might think 4, but 6 times 4 is 24. It's too big, so we can only go 6 times 3, and we have 18. We have to borrow. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay. Compare the 6 to 5. It's still too small, so now we got to bring down that 0. 6 goes into 50 8 times. 6 times 8 is 48. Time to subtract, but before I subtract, I got to borrow. There's my 2. 6 won't go into 2, so I'm going to tack on a 0, and I'm going to bring my decimal point up here. Now my directions tell me to go to the 10th place, so I'm going to keep going a little bit more. 6 times 3 is 18. Oh, better not write with blue. 18. We subtract, and we got to borrow, and guess what I see? This 3 is going to repeat. I might as well show you this. So I can write my answer according to my directions as a repeating decimal like that. Or I can round to the 10th place, because this 3 is going to go on forever. Here's the 10th place. I look at the number just to the right. That tells me I'm going to round off. My 6 stays the same, my 3 stays the same, my 8 stays the same. Decimal point 3, and then all these other numbers would simply disappear. Watch this video again as many times as it takes to learn how to divide decimals.